So when I tell you that all these videos that you've seen on the screen right here were generated by AI, you will not believe it. Yes, that you'll be seeing popping up right here. All these are generated by free AI tool that you can use to generate more of this video without paying a ding on it. And all these are free AI tool that I'm going to show you right here. Most of these video generation tool or AI video generation tools, they are paid version and you cannot use it for free. Some of them give us a credit. When the credit finish, you need to pay or upgrade before you can have access to use it. Through our research, we have found that the best video generation AI tool that's best for everyone, and it's good for video branding and also for generating art and other stuff, giving out your own image that will create your own video for you. And I'm going to break everything down step by step. So stay to the end of this video and get everything step by step. The first video generation tool, Greek AI. Greek AI is an AI model created by X, okay, or it is an X AI tool. And before you can have access to this AI tool, you need to make sure you have X account. That's what formerly Twitter account. And this Greek AI tool create massive videos and images that are good for us to be used. If you look at here, you create your account. After creating your account, then you have access to this. If you look at here, you say, oh, what do you want to know? So if I want to talk to it like using ChatGPT and stuff, I'll come here. But if I'm going to create a video or an image, I'll come here. And before you can use this Greek AI tool to get the response that you are looking for, you need to make sure you create the image, an image of something that you want it. Then after that, then you turn it to a video form. So to create it, you first need to make sure you give it a prompt. So when I scroll up here, you see I have so many videos. So this one, I created it right here. You see this one here. If I scroll down, you see so many images that will pop up right here. So let me go back to it. So to create yours, you give us a prompt. So when I give us a prompt, I post this prompt here, and then I click on this one here. It will create the images. So after that, and you want to turn it to a video form. For instance, if I want to turn this one to a video form, what I will do is come to this one here. So make video. If I click on make video, you see it creating the video right here. You see how the video is being created right here. It will load to get to the 100% option. Then you get your video. So that is how you can use it. So the first thing is to make sure you get your image, or you put in an image. If you want to add your own image, you can use it. Just come here, you upload your own image, then it will create it for you. So this is the video. It just created for me. If you want to download the video and for you to use it or post it, it's very easy and simple. Just come to here, and for desktop version, I'll just right click and then come to what you see save as. So when I hit on save as, the video will pop out here. Then I hit on save. I come here, then go in and review the video. So this is the video right here that you see here. So that's one of the free AI tool, which is Greek AI, that you can use it to generate any form of video that you want to create for. The next video generator is Metal AI. Metal AI is an AI model created from Meta, or created by Meta, to assist businesses, individuals, to be able to create an EV and then use it to communicate and get marketing tools and stuff, or marketing trend that will help us to create and market ourselves and grow our businesses. And we also have an image generation section that's created for businesses, enable them to create images that will be used to market their business or promote their business. They also have a video generation option to be used to create a video. So what you need to go to Metal AI, and you can log into Metal AI using your Facebook account. And if you go to the chat right here, the chat option is like communicating to it right here. So you can ask it to create your image for you. If you scroll down, we have so many videos and images that are created through this one. When I hit on this one, you see this an image created from Metal AI. And then we have so many videos that was created. So to create, you come to create, and then what you're going to do is, you're going to put in your prompt here to create the video, the image first. For you to get the best response, you need to make sure you create the image first. After creating your image, I have some prompt here. Let me go and grab the prompt and use it. So let me come here, I grab this prompt and then paste this prompt, hit on enter. So you're going to create these images for me. After creating the image, then I turn it to a video or animated video so that I can get the image. And if you look at the images that I'm creating, I'm using the 16:9, which is what the 16:9 ratio for YouTube's option. So you see some of the images it just created for me. When I play it or hit on this one, you see that image will pop up right here. That's what shows some quality images that Metal AI can generate for you. And if you look at here, there's no logo or no other options that shows that this video is so, and it's very good and quality image that is all just created right here. And if you want to animate the video or the image, just hit on animate right here. Let me hit on animate, and we have the stars that you can pick from this side. We have so many stars that you can pick. If you want to add a song to it, you can add the song and other stars to your image so that it will animate it for you. Okay, so you see it has just animated this video for me. We have the download option here. If you hit on the download option, it will just download your image for you. To change the resolution or the ratio that you want to use for your image, if you come to the create option, you see we have the resolution here. I have the image here and we have it. So when I go here and hit on 16 and 9:16 or 1:1 and then paste it any prompt here and then hit on generate to generate the image in that stars, then you turn it to animation form that you wanted. So this is the best free AI video generation tool that's best for everyone, no matter the field that you are. Either you are a content creator, you are a marketer, you are whatever you are doing. This is a tool that will help you create any image that you want and any video that you want, and will help you grow your business, grow your brand and stuff. So if this video add value to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share to others also to enjoy.